Creating a Google My Business profile is a straightforward process that can significantly boost your business's visibility online. Here's a quick 2-minute tutorial to get you started. Step 1. Sign in to Google Business. Go to Google My Business at www.google.com/business and click on the Manage Now button. Step 2. Add your business. Click on Add your business to Google. Enter your business name. If it doesn't appear in the drop-down menu, click on Add your business to Google and provide the necessary details. Select the appropriate category for your business. Step 3. Enter your location. If you have a physical location customers can visit, select Yes and enter your address. If not, you can specify service areas. Step 4. Add contact details. Provide your business phone number and website URL so customers can reach you. Step 5. Verification. To manage your business profile and make it visible to customers, you must verify your business. Google offers several verification methods, including postcard by mail, phone, email, or instant verification through Google Search Console for eligible businesses. Step 6. Customize your profile. After verification, customize your profile by adding business hours, photos, and additional details that make your business stand out. After taking lots of surveys, we want to share the results with you. We asked you 3 questions. Do you even have time to do this? Most said no, and a few said yes. Then we asked, do you even want to be bothered? Same thing, most said no, and a few said yes. Finally, we asked if you take it on, will it actually happen? Almost all said not likely. Remember, keeping your profile updated with fresh content and accurate information improves your visibility and helps attract more customers. If you would rather have someone do this setup for you, contact us at the link below and let's set up a call.